Stubborn stains, dingy whites, lingering odors. These are just a few of the common laundry issues we face every day. Detergents and fabric softeners promise a quick fix, but what about a more natural approach? One that's gentle on our clothes, our skin, and the environment. The answer might be sitting in your pantry right now. Yes, we're talking about the almighty vinegar. For generations, vinegar has been a trusted household staple, known for its cleaning and deodorizing properties. But did you know its magic extends to the laundry room as well? Let's explore the science behind using vinegar in laundry and discover how this simple solution can transform your laundry routine. Vinegar, a natural byproduct of fermentation, possesses a unique chemical composition that makes it a powerhouse in the laundry room. Its star ingredient, acetic acid, is a natural disinfectant, odor eliminator, fabric softener, and color brightener. Imagine banishing musty smells, softening rough fabrics, and brightening whites, all with a single, natural ingredient. That's the magic of vinegar. But how does this amazing liquid achieve such impressive results? The answer lies in the fascinating chemical reactions that occur when vinegar meets common laundry challenges. Let's talk about the science behind vinegar's cleaning power. Vinegar is very effective with laundry because of its acidic nature. This common household item is not just for cooking. It has a multitude of uses, especially in keeping your clothes clean and fresh. The acetic acid in vinegar works wonders by breaking down various residues, grime, and deposits that accumulate on fabrics over time. Breaking down residues. Detergents and fabric softeners, while effective, can leave behind residues that make clothes feel stiff and look dull. These residues can build up over multiple washes, making your laundry less comfortable to wear. Vinegar's acidity helps break down these residues, leaving your laundry feeling soft and looking vibrant. By adding just a cup of vinegar to your rinse cycle, you can ensure that your clothes remain free from unwanted buildup. Neutralizing odors. Unpleasant odors often cling to fabrics due to bacteria and mildew. These smells can be particularly stubborn, making it difficult to achieve that fresh laundry scent. Vinegar's acidic properties neutralize these odor-causing agents, leaving your laundry smelling fresh and clean. It's a natural deodorizer that tackles even the toughest smells, ensuring your clothes always smell their best. Brightening whites. Over time, white fabrics can become yellowed or dingy due to mineral deposits from hard water. This discoloration can make your whites look old and worn out. Vinegar's acidity helps dissolve these deposits, restoring whiteness and brightness. By using vinegar regularly, you can keep your white clothes looking new and vibrant. Softening fabrics. Unlike harsh chemical fabric softeners, vinegar naturally softens fabrics by breaking down mineral deposits that can make them feel rough. This makes your towels and clothes feel luxuriously soft without the use of synthetic chemicals. Vinegar's chemical composition, coupled with its natural properties, provides a gentle yet effective solution for common laundry concerns. It's an eco-friendly alternative that not only cleans but also cares for your fabrics, making it a must-have in any laundry routine. The effectiveness of vinegar in laundry is not just anecdotal, it's backed by scientific evidence. Studies have shown that vinegar reduces bacterial growth. A study published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology found that acetic acid, the active ingredient in vinegar, effectively killed harmful bacteria like E. coli and S. aureus on contaminated laundry. Eliminates odors. Research conducted at the University of Alberta demonstrated that vinegar effectively neutralizes volatile organic compounds, the primary culprits behind lingering odors in laundry. Hard water softener. A study published in the Journal of Surfactants and Detergents found that acetic acid effectively softens hard water by breaking down the minerals responsible for its hardness, leading to softer fabrics and brighter whites. These studies highlight the scientific basis for vinegar's efficacy in laundry, solidifying its reputation as a natural and powerful cleaning agent. While chemical laundry detergents and fabric softeners dominate supermarket shelves, they often come with hidden costs. These costs are not just financial, but also impact our health and the environment. Harsh chemicals in conventional laundry products can irritate sensitive skin, leading to rashes, itching, and discomfort. This is especially concerning for families with young children or individuals with pre-existing skin conditions. Many chemical laundry products contain phosphates and other pollutants that can harm aquatic life and contribute to water pollution. These pollutants can disrupt ecosystems and have long-term detrimental effects on wildlife. The artificial fragrances added to many laundry products can trigger allergies and respiratory problems in sensitive individuals. These fragrances are often made from a cocktail of chemicals that can be harmful when inhaled. Vinegar, on the other hand, offers a gentle, natural alternative. It is a versatile household staple that can be used for cleaning, cooking, and even laundry. Vinegar is naturally hypoallergenic, making it a safe choice for sensitive skin. It is free from harsh chemicals and artificial additives, ensuring that your laundry is both clean and gentle on the skin. It breaks down naturally in the environment, minimizing its impact on ecosystems. Unlike chemical detergents, vinegar does not leave harmful residues that can pollute water bodies. Vinegar's mild, slightly acidic scent dissipates quickly during the drying process, leaving your laundry smelling fresh and clean without any lingering fragrance. This natural freshness is a testament to its purity and effectiveness. Choosing vinegar for your laundry needs is a conscious step towards a healthier home and a healthier planet. By making this simple switch, you are contributing to a more sustainable future and promoting the well-being of your loved ones. Vinegar in Action, your laundry guide. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get the most out of this versatile household staple. First, for stubborn stains, create a paste using baking soda and vinegar. This combination is powerful and can tackle even the toughest stains. Apply the paste to the stain. Let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the mixture to break down the stain, then launder as usual. This method is particularly effective for organic stains like coffee, wine, and grass. Next, to brighten whites, add 1 cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle when washing white loads. The acetic acid in vinegar helps to dissolve mineral deposits and detergent residues that can dull your whites. This will help dissolve mineral deposits and brighten dingy whites, making them look as good as new. Then, to soften fabrics, add half a cup of white vinegar to the fabric softener dispenser during the rinse cycle. Vinegar is a natural fabric softener and can help maintain the integrity of your clothes. This will naturally soften fabrics without the use of harsh chemicals, leaving your towels and clothes feeling soft and fluffy. And finally, to eliminate odors, add 1 cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle for musty or odor-prone laundry. Vinegar's acidic nature helps to neutralize odor-causing bacteria, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. This is especially useful for gym clothes or towels that have developed a musty smell. Remember to always use white distilled vinegar for laundry purposes. It's clear and won't stain your fabrics. Other types of vinegar, like apple cider vinegar, may stain fabrics due to their color and sugar content. Stick to white distilled vinegar to avoid any mishaps. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips, and check out our other videos.